Hello and welcome to Comp 1. My name is Susan Todd. I'm your instructor. Wanted to introduce myself and explain a little bit about the Canvas page. I'll be producing videos like this periodically to give you some extra information. They'll be short and for the most part optional. On the Canvas page, you'll see this course information sheet. Please read through it. You'll also see the course schedule. And then I've posted my grading standards. So this is in the Welcome to Class Start Here module. I want you to write this introduction form to tell me a little bit about yourself. This list of resources, this is a little long. You don't have to read all of those. You can read whatever is helpful for you there. For instance, there's some information about Canvas. There's a link for the textbook, information for online students, and then some information from the textbook. If you about note taking and time management. There's also some information about how you can view my feedback on Canvas. Then we'll get into Module 1, which is about effective academic writing. And I'm going to ask you to do some reading and writing there, telling me about your experiences. And this module, General Writing Tips, will always be open for you. I may assign some things from it, but it's also there for you if you'd like more information as we go along. So that's resources, but it's in its own folder, its own module. Then we'll get into the first assignment, which is reading, watching, and responding to a TED Talk. And then we'll move into the first essay. So I'll have things closed until we are opening that module. So you really can't work ahead much in this class. But any information that you need should be available in the course information document. I'm also available for phone calls, Google Meets, either during or outside of my office hours. Look forward to working with you. Please let me know if you have any questions. My email is stodd@jeffco.edu. Thank you, and I will see you later.